Good morning. How you guys doing? Yeah? Good? Okay, good. So today I have a Thanksgiving project for us to do. I thought it would be cute to make a little shadow box for my shelf. So I went to the Dollar Tree and got some supplies, which I will show you in just a moment. I think I spent, I don't know, maybe $6, if that. So anyways, I think it's gonna be really cute and I think it's gonna be relatively easy. So let's dive in and do this. Okay, so the first part is you have your shadow box. Now, I've already done some stuff to this because I was gonna do something with it a long time ago and then I never did. So this had some like rainbow or something or other in there, and I took it off and then I just painted the back of it white. So now I'm going to use Mod Podge and I'm gonna go over this pink glitter that's already on there, and I'm gonna use orange glitter instead for fall. Okay, so there we go. That's done. I'll probably have to touch it up a little bit, but we're gonna let that dry for a little while, and then we'll spray it with a sealant to keep that glitter locked in. Now, since this part is, basically done and dry, and we'll touch it up later, I want to do the inside part. Do you see it? That's pink still. So I'm going to do that in a yellow glitter. So I have a smaller brush. All right, so that's it. Not perfect, but we'll touch it up when it's done. So I think that looks pretty nice right now. Okay, so let me clean this up and then we'll do the next part. So now you're gonna take your leaf or whatever item you decided to put in your shadow box, and this one is actually a little bit too big, but that's okay because I'm just gonna kind of squish them in there, and I'm gonna hot glue it down. And then I have this, look at this little sack of pine cones and such. I think it's potpourri, but I'm gonna use a couple of these little pine cones as an accent. You guys, I gotta tell you something. So there's these crabs out there, they're called ghost crabs, and so if a predator comes, they use their claws to intimidate them, but if that's not enough, they'll growl at them like a dog does, you know? But the thing is, that growl is not coming from their mouth, it's coming from their stomach. You want to know why? I'll tell you why. Because that's where their freaking teeth are, is in their stomach. So they just kind of grind together, and that's how they digest their food. But that sound is like a growl, and it'll scare off a predator. I had no idea that crabs had teeth in their stomach. I didn't know any animal had teeth in their stomach. I think that's just, well, it's actually kind of cool. Glue gun should be ready. Okay, so you see so far, and then now I'm gonna use some of these little dudes down here. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing yet, but okay, so that's it. I think it looks super cute. You can put it however you want. And like I said, you know, I'm gonna just touch up that glitter, and then I will show you guys what it looks like when I have it on a shelf. And I hope you guys had fun. This was so easy. A little time consuming, but not barely bad at all. So hope you guys had fun, and we will see you on the next one.